I made these Roblox story videos using just one master prompt and completely free AI tools. This channel has 1.75 million subscribers, and the videos are getting tens of millions of views each month. Here's another channel with 5 million subscribers, and the videos are getting millions of views. Both of these channels are monetized and are making thousands of dollars every month. But to monetize on YouTube now, you need 8,000 hours of watch time or 20 million shorts views, so instead of waiting, I'd recommend starting with an already monetized channel. This way, you can start earning from your very first video. If you don't want to start a channel and would rather upload on TikTok instead, we also provide monetized TikTok accounts. They're already approved in the Creator Rewards program, and they have 100% organic followers. Let's start the video. I've prepared the master prompt for this niche. Go ahead and copy it. Open Claude AI and paste your prompt here. Claude will process the data and ask you to choose a Roblox story category. I'm picking rich versus poor. Claude gave us a story called The Boy Who Built a Backpack. For each scene, we have a prompt and then the dialogue that goes with it. For video generation, we'll use Flow. Copy the scene prompt and paste it into Flow. Switch to video mode. Select 9:16 for shorts, choose Omni Flash as the model, set the duration to 8 seconds, and keep the speed at 1x. Generate the video. Let me show you what we got.
Just a few more months.
To generate the next clip, there are two different methods. The first method, drag and drop the previous video in as an ingredient. Enter the prompt, don't change any settings, and generate the video. Now the AI knows that the second video is linked to the first one. The second method, open the video, play it all the way to the end, and click the Add Frame icon. This will save the last frame as an image. Then switch to the Frames tab, drag that image in as the first frame of the new video, enter the prompt, and generate it. Using the same process, generate all the remaining video clips. Then open CapCut and import all the video clips. Click Sort and select Time Created. This will arrange the clips in the correct order. Do some basic editing, then go to Captions and generate captions for the video. Next, go to Templates and you'll find ready-made caption effects for your video. Choose a template and that's it, your next viral Roblox short is ready. The link is in the description for both the monetized YouTube and TikTok accounts.